Hey everyone, Andy Rafael from eTeknix.com, and we're here at the CyberPower booth at EGX 2019. I actually want to talk to you about ADATA products. So as you may know, we did do some content on this at Computex, and we have actually reviewed some of these products as well. ADATA are kind of delving into, I guess, the peripheral world. So they're kind of, I guess, trying to fulfill that whole ecosystem. They've got, memory, they've got SSDs. They're kind of, are looking at other ways to kind of bring more products into the range so you can, I guess, have everything ADATA. So you may remember that we did some reviews, at least on the written format, of their new chassis. So what did we have? There were two chassis that they brought out. We've done reviews on them. I will try to link to them in the description below. But the main thing that they kind of want to shout about is the peripherals, because sadly, they haven't actually got the chassis here. But they are showcasing some rigs from CyberPower, and inside there we have got some of the kind of latest ADATA memory. So this is the one that is kind of full RGB on the side of it. And this memory is called the D60, so there's 16 gig in each individual system, and they look absolutely amazing. Slightly different to, I guess, anything else that we've seen on the market. Instead of just having kind of the RGB strip on the top, it's actually fully encompassed RGB. And as we know, RGB makes everything better. So we will be getting a sample of that very, very soon as well, and hopefully I'll do some builds, kind of feature it, full on RGB and puking rainbows and unicorns, which I'm sure you guys all love. Now, talking about the peripherals, what we've got is their pre-cog headset. So this headset is kind of their first venture into, I guess, the audio realm, at least from ADATA. But they look really, really nice, and we have tested it ourselves. The quality is actually really, really good for the price point. Obviously, pricing is going to differ in whatever country you're in, so there's no point really me talking too much about that. In terms of the other peripherals, they have got the Summoner keyboard, which is actually really, really nice. Really kind of tactile feel and a choice of different switches. If I remember rightly, we actually reviewed the one with the silver speed switches, which do feel extremely, really, really kind of fast, but really lightweight at the same time. Obviously, everyone's going to have their own kind of personal opinion on which switches they go for, whether it be red, blue, brown, even green, or even the speed silver ones. And then they've got their new mouse and mouse pad, which I guess for them, at least for ADATA, it's just kind of bringing a product into the market to compete with everyone else. ADATA know that they're not going to be the cheapest on price because they're not going to, I guess, shift the same volume as other people in the market, but it's just having another product. If you already kind of like ADATA products, you might already have their memory, you might even have one of their new chassis, and then obviously an SSD as well, which they're kind of more famous for. You might just want to kind of have everything integrated and fulfill that ecosystem by having the keyboard, the headset, and everything else. So there you go, we have got a lot more content from EGX 2019, so definitely be sure to check that out, and I will see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.